EBITDA and Breakeven tutorial and instructions. EBITDA is a barometer of how a company is financially performing. By taking out the expenses for any debt and adding back any interest and taxes that may have taken place over the projected period, a clear picture of the company's earning ability is shown. EBITDA is common for lenders and investors to look at when making a lending or investing decision for a company. A break-even analysis indicates when the business will be able to cover all of its expenses and begin making a profit. This analysis calculates the minimum amount of sales needed to cover costs. This is especially critical for startup businesses as it shows the sales threshold that needs to be surpassed before the business becomes profitable. The template has an EBITDA earnings before interest, taxes, depreciation, and amortization chart pasted into the document. The template also includes a break-even analysis, which is taken from the Excel workbook as well and pasted into the business plan Word document.